Community means to me a security, a place where you can grow in your own identity, find yourself. I think we're all looking for a purpose in life, and community gives you the strength to find that. I think we're all evolving, and what you begin your life as can be, the journey can take you completely differently. And I guess for myself, that happened. Being blessed to find Siki and to go to Amritsar, where my journey began. So I remember walking into Shri Atal Takht Sahib, which is in the complex of the Golden Temple. I was the only Western person there, Western woman there, and I just remember having a sense of feeling like I was alone, but alone from the sense that I didn't see familiar faces that looked like me or spoke English. But it wasn't long when I actually started to feel a sense of belonging, and the Sangat embraced me. I think coming back to Gisborne, I had a sense of not knowing where I belonged, even though I'd grown up in Gisborne. But I came back, obviously internally changed, but externally changed too. I'm the type of person who doesn't like to stand out. I'm the one that's quite happy to be in the background, quietly observing and learning. But I soon realised that with the community and in the Gisborne Sangat, it's about gradually growing and learning together. And I think that's what community does. Coming back from India, understanding what it's like to be somewhere different or to feel that you don't belong, I can use my strengths and my understanding to help people that choose to come to Gisborne, for those who have a different language or a different culture, or even for fact for the local community who are growing in their identity in themselves, and they are changing and they're wanting to have that strength to know, hey, it's okay, and that there's a blanket that's going to be wrapped around you. I will sit and I will listen to you so that your story can be heard and you know who you are.